Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a look at Chainlink here, and as we can see, with the that sell-off that we did see over the past few days here, where we were up testing resistance, we got rejected, massive roll all the way to the downside, back to the bottom of the range, again retesting that previous bear market resistance here. We get the breakout, back test, run up to the top of the range, rejected, back down to back test the bottom of the range and that previous resistance as support. Interesting to see in our opinion. And you can see now that we are basically, we had a very nice bounce to the upside for most cryptos, either off the bottom of the range or, off a previous resistance as support. And it was interesting to see, wasn't it? Let's make no mistake about it. And we can see here Chainlink, no exception either. We've got a very decent bounce off the bottom of the range there, back up, back into really that range that we were in before, that smaller range for quite some time. You can see, if I just draw this in, we were essentially in a range pretty much, we'd say like this for a good while, weren't we? You can see we've come down into it. Resistance, support, support, resistance. We break out to that, that overall range, but we get stuck under the 023. The FTX news happens. We roll all the way down to the bottom of the range. And now looking like, a little bit of a bounce to the upside. Just chopping it sideways again, aren't we? I mean, potentially here, for a lot of cryptos, we could be seeing, this very nice kind of, it's just a very interesting pattern, isn't it? You can see it's almost a mirror of what's happened. You're having this like nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move to the downside, and now you're having a 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you did have that 5, you could see yourself making almost a full recovery, really, which would be very interesting, wouldn't it? Especially considering, how much fear and uncertainty there is in the market right now. It would make total sense for, the price action to get scooped back up, because the sellers are getting so exhausted, aren't they? On the daily time frame here, you can see, if we came down and made a lower low here, the bullish divergences would be absolutely crazy on this chart, especially with, how high the RSI still is. Sellers have been exhausted for a long time, and you can see that from how much we're consolidating. So interesting to see what will happen next, in our opinion. Inverse head and shoulders could easily be the thing, obviously with the price target being really back up in towards that previous resistance up here, which would be good to see, wouldn't it? So our price targets for Link are very simple, really. You'd say you've probably got a neckline looking something like this, and if you do see yourself starting to come up, we expect it to probably be making a pretty much full recovery over the next week or so, if that was the case. But obviously, if we do roll over here, back down to retest the range low is very likely at this key level back down here around $6. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.